Hello, Ragen here, and welcome to Christmas Eve Vlogmas. Yay! So, if you've been following my channel, I've been very inconsistent with my uploads this month because it's just been absolute craziness. As soon as I decided I was going to do a daily vlog, yeah, crap met fan. So it's okay though, we are redeeming ourselves. I did manage to get a lot of things done that I planned on getting done. I might have had to do a little bit more of a rush job than I planned, but I'm not mad about that. It's completely okay. Either way, I did get a lot done, and we're gonna have a good Christmas. We're having a good Christmas. Things have gone really well for Christmas, so that's the important part. And I've had a lot of fun hanging out with my cats and my kids, my family. And yeah, we've made the best of it, and you know, whatever. So we had a little bit of like a rainy, inclement weather, which I love. I absolutely love, but my body does not. So yeah, Ron and Mal have been helping me do some decorating, and here's a final look at my tree, but it's blurry. You're welcome. I didn't notice that the footage was blurry until I got right here, and that really makes me sad. But I did manage to get my stockings finished and hung up on the wall, and it got Cthulhu done, and I took a picture of him so you can get a little bit better look at him on top of the tree. So I ended up getting to drive in the inclement weather. We had to go rent a U-Haul and go pick up my furniture, and we of course stopped at Freddy's because delicious, and came home and took a nap. So yeah, tomorrow's Christmas Day. Tonight I'm going to be doing some cooking, get some things together, and I'll have some of that to share with you as well. I will get that up probably after Christmas. I'll get one more video out to you before the new year, just kind of recapping and letting you know how Christmas Day went and what we got and all that fun stuff. And yeah, so thanks for stopping by. Yeah, it's a short video, but whatever. I will talk to you next time. Thanks for hanging out. Thanks for stopping by. Please, if you like this video, do the thing. And if you're not subscribed, you know, maybe think about doing it. Who knows? I got a lot coming up this year. So yeah, I will see you later. Bye.